Hello once again, everybody. This is Rich with High Percent Trading. Today's video is going to show how to properly trade the Wave 2 setups using a combined Gann and Elliot wave analysis. And this is actually in the first hour today of the pit open session trading the Dow futures contract, the YM contract. The pit open, of course, starts at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That's 6:30 Pacific. I'm on the West Coast, so my chart shows Pacific Time. But quite frankly, just a refresher. What we're trying to catch here, and what you should trying to trade, is a very nice harmonic Wave 2 setup. And you can see here on the wave counts, the market started out here early. This was around about 25 minutes into the pit open this morning. It moved up and completed a wave 1. You could see where it retraced to the 2. I'm going to talk about where it entered the trade here. And then had a very strong impulse wave up to 3, retraced to 4, completed a wave 5. And as the markets will do intraday, especially coming off of the previous day, which was the FOMC rate hike, these markets will tend to extend out further, retraced into a 6 and then completed in a 7. If this looks like a football, that's actually what we call this. It's a special Gann-Elliot drawing combination that's included in the software, but it did complete into a wave 7. But this is the wave 2 entry down here. So it's important, if you can catch the wave 2s, those are the ones that generally will produce the most profit on a trade, because if you think about it, you're trying to complete at a minimum of 5, and in this case it went to a 7, and in a very extended market you can sometimes go to 9 and even 11. We don't have any examples of that here, at least in the YM this morning, but I want to show. So as it came down to retrace on the 2, the software produced an approximate target here. This is based on the complete analysis here. We didn't quite get to the target, but once we moved up, it went ahead and signaled the trade. So this was your wave 2 entry, and then eventually, if you were able to hold this all the way up into this area where it completed the 7, that was about a $300 move just on a single contract. And you can see that was in the course of about 7 or 8 minutes. And then we started down the other way. Once we completed the wave 7, we started moving the other direction on a very nice harmonic move. And again, you can see we came down and did the wave 1, came up to the wave 2 on the retrace. That's what it was trying to trade. Caught the wave 2, and then went down all the way, extended through the 5, retraced back to 6, and then ended at 7 down here, just like we did before. One of the other things you'll see is a lot of times these markets will do a mirror image of each other as they move harmonically throughout the day. Markets only are moving in a harmonic pattern about 30% of the time intraday. The other 70% is generally what we call random walk or chaos, under chaos theory. It still can produce good trades, but if you're fortunate enough to catch the wave 2 entry in a harmonic move, it can be very, very profitable. But you can see here, we completed the 7 here. We also completed the 7 down here, so it was kind of the mirror image of the other one. And it also produced a little slightly less than the first trade. This was about 220, 230 per contract on the YM. Not a bad move. And again, this move took about 10 minutes to complete. So you can see in the first hour, if you're patient and you're looking for and trading the wave 2 setups, they can be very profitable. So if you have the ability to determine where those wave 2s are, or the ability to filter them and take the trades, that's really what you need to do. This software that we have, that I'm showing at High Percent Trading, does that automatically. It produces the arrows automatically, and actually can auto trade and enter these trades automatically and manage them if the trader or investor wishes. I've gone ahead and put up some information on our website if you're interested in seeing more of this, or if you're interested in joining us in our rooms every morning. We meet every day, every morning in our trade rooms. We also have workshops 3 or 4 times a week. Here's the website, high%trading.com. Here's the contact form, high%trading.com contact, and this you can request a free trial. But again, if you can do this, and it's a very good, efficient way to trade. I'm showing how to just trade the wave 2s. There's other very good trades in here, which are the wave 5 setups. We'll talk about that in a different video, but I'm just focusing on the wave 2s right now. Just to show a little different market, these wave 2 setups that I'm showing work in all of the markets, whether they're currencies, grains, interest rates, equities, metals, any market. All markets move harmonically. It doesn't matter what they are, stocks, forex, they all have the harmonic forces. This is the 6E also from today. That's the euro currency. And this is slightly just before our pit open. Of course, the good thing about trading the currencies is they're pretty much 24 hours. But that's the wave 2 setup right here. So you could see as it came in, we did an impulse wave 1, retraced to the 2. The software picked it up, and we actually completed the wave 5 and then the 7. Okay. This resulted in a pretty nice gain. It was only in that trade about 10 or 11 minutes. But then what I want to show is over here. This was the wave 2 setup here, okay, a little bit later. So we came down on a very nice impulse wave 1, retraced to the 2, pretty much got into what the anticipated retrace targets were, and triggered. And this trade was just a gigantic trade. This trade entered on the wave 2, and this is what I'm talking about. If you're fortunate enough to catch a nice wave 2 and a harmonic Gann Elliot move, you can go on to make a very large profit. So again, I wanted to demonstrate the power of trading wave 2s. Again, if you're interested at all in seeing more of this, I've put up the links that you can contact us on, and would be more than happy to explain this further, or to allow you to come in, take a free trial, or come into our rooms. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you consider incorporating the trading wave 2s under combined Gann Elliot wave analysis into your trading. So thanks again, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care now. Bye-bye.